Happy Monday, everyone. We quiet down for a while, but we'll have a chance of storms on Friday. We'll talk about that. I'm watching a week from today as a possible strong storm day. We'll talk about that and a new storm in the Atlantic. Even though hurricane season officially begins June 1, it's already going. Official high temperature today, 92 degrees in Brownsville. Normal is 89. Record 95, 1901. Official high for Harlingen today, 95 degrees. That's plus 4 over normal. Record 100, 1930. And official high for McAllen today, 96 degrees, 4 above normal, and 4 from that record, 100 degrees. Here are the other high temperatures through the valley today. The hot spot, 98 out in Rio Grande City, and 10 degrees cooler today on the island at 88, 94 Raymondville, 95 Weslaco, 96 for Edinburgh. Winds have been gusting to close to 30 miles per hour. We expected an increase, and those winds get even a little stronger tomorrow, a little stronger still on Wednesday. So a lot of sunshine, hot and windy. Mid-90s for the lower valley, close to 100 in the upper valley for 2 days in a row. It's very quiet out there. We do have a couple of isolated storms over the mountains of Mexico around the Big Bend, but nothing major. I'm not looking for storm action until Friday evening, and that's when we'll have a chance of thunder showers. Here are the temperatures right now. 80 on the island, 91 Brownsville, 92 Harlingen, 95 McAllen, and 97 in Rio Grande City. Let's get you a tropical weather update sponsored by Pronto Insurance. On the radar composite, you can see the East Coast and the thunder showers breaking out over South Carolina, the mountains of North Carolina and Virginia, down into Florida, where heavy rain is coming down. Of course, the culprit of all this, two things. We've got our first tropical storm in the Atlantic, Tropical Storm Arthur, winds at 65 miles per hour, but thankfully it's moving away from the U.S. coastline, and a low pressure system that's coming in right behind that, which could cause even more rainfall than the actual tropical storm. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. All the action and weather will be right over here, right through Kentucky, Tennessee, down into northern Georgia, and the Carolinas. For us, we're just going to have a lot of sunshine for South Texas, and of course those winds are going to be a factor. Here's your day planner for tomorrow. Expect highs of 94 in the lower valley, 100 in the upper valley, winds peaking at about 35 miles per hour. 90 the high temperature out on the island with lots of sunshine, moderately windy out there. 75 low in the lower valley, 76 in the upper valley, and as we saw this morning, a little bit of patchy fog is certainly possible again tomorrow. 94 lower valley, 100 in the upper. Long range forecast looks like this. We can expect it to be hot and windy on Wednesday. Similar highs, 94 and 100 in the upper valley. We cool slightly on Thursday with partly cloudy skies, just breezy in the afternoon. In the evening hours, that's when we'll see a little line of thunder showers come on through. 92 and 97 the high temperatures that day. We'll see some lingering sprinkles early in the morning on Saturday. We'll have a few more drops possible on a cloudy Sunday, so high temperatures low to mid-90s. And then a wave disturbance comes through on Monday. We could see some thunder showers. Some of these could be potentially strong with high temperatures low to mid-90s. Brenda's back with more news in just a moment.